Now, the task of qualifying for the Olympic Games has been made slightly harder for Jamaica's men 4x100-meter relay team after Canada withdrew from this weekend's World Relays in Poland. Canada has withdrawn from the World Athletics Relay, joining several other high-profile nations who will miss the May 1-2 event in Poland. In a release on Saturday, Athletics Canada cited COVID-19 concerns as a reason for their withdrawal, with their high-performance director Simon Nathan indicating that the travel risks simply outweigh the rewards of competing at the Olympic qualifying event. Canada, who was scheduled to send a team of 24 athletes to the two-day championship, now joins Jamaica, the United States, Trinidad and Tobago, and Australia's teams to have withdrawn. Last week, the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3s, announced that athletes would not be making the trip to Poland due to travel arrangement issues. The decision left the men's 4x100-meter relay team in a precarious position since they have no chance of qualifying automatically for the Olympics in Tokyo. According to the World Athletics rules, the first 8 placed teams at the World Relays shall automatically qualify for the Olympics. Those 8 teams will join the United States, Great Britain, Japan, Brazil, South Africa, and the People's Republic of China, who secured automatic qualification as the only teams to complete the World Championship final in Doha 2019. Given the likelihood that qualifiers from Doha 2019 will overlap with those at this weekend's relays, the remaining places will be decided by the World Athletics top list. Jamaica is currently ranked 11th with their 38.15 seconds run from Doha. That means Jamaica could find themselves further down the list, depending on the teams who qualify for the World Relay finals at the weekend. However, 38.15 seconds could also be enough to take the team to the Olympic Games if other teams outside the automatic qualifiers fail to produce a faster time. Jamaica also has the option of improving on their time by competing in events with at least 2 other nations before the qualification deadline of June 29.